In this video I want to show you how to add multiple ads on your YouTube video, so let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser in desktop, then open your YouTube Studio in Chrome browser. Then select the video to open multiple ads, then click on the monetization option of selected video. Then this types of interface comes in your mobile phone. Then click on the during video mid-roll option, then after click manage mid-roll option. Then you here to click an ad break to put multiple ads in your video. After moving the video and putting multiple ads, you have to save the ads.to save ads. Click on the continue option and then click on the save option for multiple ads in a video. Note, for the multiple ads in a video, the duration of the video must be 8 minutes or longer, otherwise you don't put multiple ads on your video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get new update. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep supporting, keep loving. Bye bye, see you.